Alright, so I am going to show you how to restore or clean the hardware on your luxury bag. As you can see, my lock is looking really brassy, but I am going to show you how you can restore this and make this look brand new. Really easy and really simple. So I am going to take Brasso. This is a metal polish and it cleans and polishes brass, copper, stainless steel, chrome, aluminum, pewter, and bronze. I am also going to use a microfiber cloth and some Q-tips for the harder to reach areas. Also going to need some paper towels, and that's basically it. So what I'm going to do, of course, I'm going to use the key and remove the lock from my bag. So then I'm going in with the Brasso, and all I'm going to do is I am placing the product directly onto whatever piece of hardware it is that you want to clean. So once I have done that, I'm going to go in with another piece of tissue and I'm just gonna rub until the area is clean. Now this took me a couple minutes, but I have left this in real time just so that you can see, and as unedited as possible. Look at that, just so that you can see that this actually works. Now let me just preface this and give you a little warning. Use this at your own risk, but I did my research and I tested it out. It worked for me. If you want to save yourself some coins on cleaning, give this method a try.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, hang on. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
And I use the Q-tip for the harder to reach areas. So for example, if you wanted to clean the zip part of your bag, I would recommend using a Q-tip. And then once I have used the Brasso and I have it to my liking, I am just going to use a microfiber microfiber wipe, and I am going to just go ahead and polish the hardware.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
And that is basically it. You can see this is looking brand new, and it literally took a couple minutes, and one single product is as easy as that. So this is what it looks like on my bag, y'all. it is night and day, the before and after. Just go ahead and look, night and day. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click my face right down there and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in another one. Bye bye.